fact, why don't we try it now? You like that?
Would you like that, Kitty Cruz?
Let's start with a fun English lesson. I call this lesson the Spelling Scrambler. Do you like spelling, kids? Okay, here we have to look at the board and you see a picture. Yes, the picture, and then you have to guess what it is, and then let's spell it afterwards, okay?
What is that, Kitty Cruz?
What is that?
What is it?
Yes, that's right. Now let's spell it using the letters scrambled on the board, okay? And
First letter is E. Oh, no. B.
Next one is? The next one is? What? T. And then? The last one is? Is it an F? No, it's a?
Good job.
now what's this next picture?
Next picture.
What is this next one?
What?
It's a what?
It's A.
A griddle.
It's a?
It's spelled griddle, kids, okay? And
First is a? A what?
B. G. That's right.
next,
R. And then?
D.
the D.
What's the next?
I.
Yes. Next.
B.
And then? Is it a B?
No.
What is it? D.
Next.
And then an L. And then?
E. That's
Very
right.
good.
Let's get the next picture,
Good
kids.
job.
What's this? What's this?
My gosh, Kitty Cruz, of course you know what that is. What is that?
What kind of hamburger?
What is it?
What kind of hamburger? Big. I knew it.
Let's spell it out. Come on, kids. And letter.
Letter? What's the first one?
Letter B.
And then?
I.
I. And?
M.
M?
No.
What's the next?
G. Teacher. Yeah.
And then?
H.
What's the next?
Yeah, that's right.
And then? What's the last letter?
C. Big letter. Hey, that's pretty cool.
Teacher, can you teach us something else?
Something else.
Kids, do you like math? Because math is a wonderful thing,
There's
right?
hamburger.
Yes. Okay, I'm going to teach you about a wonderful lesson today. It's about the golden ratio. Do you know that?
Golden ratio. What is that?
It describes the ratio between 1 and 1.618 that is commonly found in nature.
What is the
To understand that, kids, let's look at this rectangle right here. There. This is a rectangle drawn to a ratio of 1 is to 1.